Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a Kia Soul 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine from the years 2010 to 2013. Here we see an example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car. We open the hood, look straight at the engine, and the location and order of the cylinders will be as follows. The location starts from left to right. As I mentioned before, this is as long as you're standing in front of the engine. The cylinders would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, as I mentioned, from left to right. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, that is, on the passenger side. Next, cylinder number 3 fires. After that, cylinder number 4 fires. This one is on the right side, meaning on the driver's side. And finally, cylinder number 2 would fire. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.